Elijah here, and welcome back to Answer the Home. Today, we're tackling an unsightly and annoying problem: algae buildup in your toilet flush. Let's get your toilet looking and working like new again with some common household items. Algae buildup can make your toilet look dirty and even affect its performance. Luckily, cleaning it up is simple. Here's what you'll need: rubber gloves, white vinegar, toilet brush, baking soda, bleach, optional and recommended for hard-to-remove algae buildup. Got everything? Great. Let's get started. First, we need to turn off the water supply. Locate the shutoff valve near the toilet and turn it clockwise until it stops. With the water supply off, let's move to the next step. Flush the toilet to remove as much water as possible from the tank. Now that the tank is mostly empty, we're ready to scrub. Put on your rubber gloves and grab your toilet brush. Start scrubbing the algae buildup inside the tank. Get as much off as you can before we apply the cleaning solution. Next, we'll make a cleaning solution using equal parts white vinegar and water. Mix it in a spray bottle. This solution is great for breaking down algae and other buildups. Spray the vinegar solution generously on all the algae-affected areas. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to work its magic. After 30 minutes, grab your toilet brush and scrub the areas again. The vinegar solution should have loosened up the algae, making it easier to remove. If the algae is still there, you can use a bleach solution. Mix 1 part bleach with 3 parts water. Remember to wear gloves and ensure proper ventilation. Apply the bleach solution to the algae-affected areas. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then scrub and rinse thoroughly. Always be cautious with bleach and ensure you rinse well. Rinse the tank thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining cleaning solution. Replace the toilet tank lid and turn the water supply back on by turning the valve counterclockwise. Give it a flush to make sure everything is working perfectly. And there you have it: a clean and algae-free toilet flush. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Answer the Home for more DIY tips and tricks. See you next time.